original periodic table was first created by a man named Dmitry Mendeleev in 1869. He was a Russian chemist. And then he arranged it by atomic mass rather than today, where we arrange it by atomic number, which was fixed by Henry Moseley in 1913.
Facts on the periodic table. Carbon is unique and that it is known to form up to 10 million different compounds. Carbon is important to the existence of life. Francium is the rarest element on the Earth. There are probably no more than a few ounces of it on Earth at any given time. The only letter not on the periodic table is J. The country, Argentina, is named after the element silver, Ag, which is Argentinum in Latin. Although there is helium on Earth, it is discovered by the sun.
More periodic table facts. Elements are considered the building blocks of matter. Number 2. The periodic table contains 118 different elements that are separated into metals, metalloids, and nonmetals. Of the 118 elements, there are 91 metals, 20 nonmetals, and 7 metalloids. Each element contains a unique type of element that is known to only itself, whether it be the amount of protons, electrons, and neutrons in its nucleus. The chemical symbol for an element is usually 1 to 2 letters. Example: the chemical symbol for iron is Fe. That's fun. Not all elements are found in nature. Some were created in a laboratory by scientists, and they are considered man-made. Elements. The S block. It is groups 1 and 2. They are the most active metals. It's the alkali metals and the alkaline earth metals. But hydrogen, although in group 1, is not a metal. The P block. It's group 3A through 8A. The P and S blocks are also known as the main group elements. The number of the S block and P block electrons is the last digits in the group number. It also contains the metalloids, halogens, which is group 7A and also the most reactive nonmetal, and they react to form a salt. D block. It's group 3B through 12B, metals with metallic properties, and also known as the transition elements. The F block. These are the intertransition metals usually found on the bottom. There are the lanthanides and the actinides. Metals are malleable and ductile, and they thermal conductors and good electrical conductors, and they are shiny because they have a lot of luster. Whereas nonmetals are poor conductors of heat and electricity, and they are just ductile. They are very brittle, and if they are hit with a hammer, they will shatter. Metalloids have both characteristics of metals and nonmetals. They are semiconductors, which they are average at conducting heat and electricity. My name's Marissa,
And we are making the periodic table cupcakes. To start off, this is the periodic elements.
There are 118 elements, and each package. Next, we add our ionization energy. Just pour it right in there.
And then we have electronegativity. And there's 3 of them.
And finally, we add our atomic radius. Mix together for a firm foundation for your periodic table.
Okay, now we are going to put the batter into the tins to separate each of the elements.
Heat the oven to 350 degrees. Then place the cupcakes in the oven. Place the timer for 15 minutes.
Now take the cupcakes out of the oven and stick a toothpick in to make sure they are fully cooked. To the certain elements that they are, the metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. The nonmetals are blue, the metalloids are pink, and the metals are purple. We are placing the elements on the periodic table in their correct places. Okay, for the trends, atomic radius decreases across the period, and it decreases in the group
as it comes up. For ionic size, it has no specific trend going across a period, but it decreases as it comes up the group.
Ionization energy increases as it's going across the period, and it increases as it's going up the group.
Electronegativity increases going across the period, and it increases as it comes up the group.